Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Meddi. I am from Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about my tech talk topic about classification on boilers. Let's get started. Introduction. What is a boiler? A steam generator or boiler is usually a closed vessel made up of steel. Its function is to transfer the heat produced by the combustion of fuel like solid, liquid, or gas to water, ultimately to generate steam. The selection of type and size of a steam boiler depends upon the following factors. First one, the power required and working pressure. Second one, the geographical position of the powerhouse. Third one, the fuel and water available. Fourth one, the probably load factor. Yeah, boiler in simple terms, it is a closed steel vessel where the transfer of water the transfer of flame to water takes place, like heat transfer takes place, and the water is converted into steam, and the steam can be used for many applications like for producing electricity, and it is in thermal power plants, and for cooking purpose, and for other food processing can be used for different application with the help of the this boiler. Yeah, the importance of boilers in various industries. Boilers are essential equipment in various industries including power generation, manufacturing, healthcare, and hospitality. the, they play a critical role in the production of electricity, heating buildings, sterilizing medical equipment, processing food and beverages, and many other applications. In the power generation industry, boilers are used to produce steam that drives turbines to generate electricity. In the manufacturing industry, boilers are used to processes such as drying, distillation, and sterilization. In the healthcare industry, boilers are used to produce steam for sterilization of medical equipment. Then, the need for the classification of boilers. The classification of boilers is important because it helps to identify and differentiate between the different types of boilers based on their design, construction, and operating characteristics. This information is crucial for selecting the appropriate type of boiler for a particular application, as well as for ensuring safety and efficient operation. Boilers can be classified based on various factors such as the type of fuel used, the type of construction, the method of circulation, and the application. The following are some classifications of steam boilers. According to the content in the tube, either fire tube or water tube, according to the position of the furnace, like internally fired or externally fired, according to the axis of the shell, either vertical or horizontal, and according to the number of tubes, it may be have single tube or multi-tubular, according to the method of circulation of water and steam, natural circulation or forced circulation. Natural circulation in the sense it is due to the pressure difference. Yeah, whereas forced circulation means by using of pumps and motors. Yeah, we are forcing the fluid, like say it as water. Yeah, whereas in natural circulation, due to the pressure difference, it will circulate through that boiler. Yeah, according to the use, stationary or mobile. Yeah, according to the source of heat. Next, classification based on tube content. Fire tube boilers. In this type of boiler, the hot gases produced by the combustion of fuel pass through the tubes that are surrounded by water. The heat from the hot gases is transferred to the water, which is then converted into steam. Fire tube boilers are commonly used for low pressure steam and hot water applications. Fire tube boilers are commonly used for low pressure steam and hot water applications. Yeah, here it is showing that a sketch of fire tube boiler, where you can see that the fire going inside the tubes and it is surrounded by water. Whenever the fire or the flue gases passes through the tube, it has the contact with the surrounding water. Yeah, here the heat transfer between the hot tube and the water takes place. Whenever that heat transfer occurs in that boiler, then the water is converted into steam, and again the steam is utilized for different applications. For say in thermal power plant, it is used as it will directed into the turbine where it can generate the power. Okay, next we will discuss based upon the water tube boilers. In this type of boiler, the water flows through the tubes and is heated by the hot gases produced by the combustion of fuel that surrounds the tube. The heated water then rises and is collected in steam drum where it is converted into steam. Water tube boilers are commonly used for high pressure, steam and hot water applications. In water tube boilers, the fluid or the water will passes in the tube, and where the fire is openly circulated around the tubes. Yeah, here the the chances of transfer of heat is more than the fire tube boilers. Yeah, because here here the entire flue gases are surrounded by the tubes. Yeah, where the tubes are filled with water and it is passing. Yeah, here the chances are very high. Yeah, the evaporation of water is somewhat higher than the 5-2 boiler. Yeah, now based on classification on based on fuel. Solid fuel boilers uses solid fuels such as coal, wood and biomass as the main fuel source. Liquid fuel boilers uses liquid fuel such as oil and gas as a main fuel source. Gas fuel boilers uses natural gas as a main fuel source. Yeah, here based on the application of the boiler, the fuels may be vary. Yeah, for thermal for thermal generation, the fuel may be coal, or for the hospitality or for food processing it may be different, like say it as oil, etc. It varies depending upon the usage of the boiler. Yeah, now the classification based on pressure. Boiler pressure is the measure of the force exerted by the steam inside the boiler, and it is usually expressed in pounds per square inch. Based on pressure, boilers can be classified into the following categories: low pressure boilers, medium pressure boilers, and high pressure and ultra high pressures. Yeah, we will discuss about in detail about these pressures. Low pressure boilers. These are the boilers that operate at a pressure of up to 15 psi. They are commonly used in small commercial and residential heating systems. Medium pressure boilers. These are the boilers that operate at a pressure between 16 psi and 100 psi. They are commonly used in small to medium sized industrial processes. High pressure boilers. These are the boilers that are operate at a pressure above 100 psi. They are commonly used in power generation and large industrial processes. Ultra high pressure boilers. These are the boilers that operate at pressures above 3000 psi. They are used in specialized applications such as in the production of semiconductors. It is important to note that the classification of boilers based on pressure is not the only way to categorize boilers. Boilers can also be classified based on their design, application among these factors. Earlier we have discussed about these type of classifications. Yeah, now, yeah, I think no, yeah, it is not completed. Yeah, just we have read. Yeah, classification based on circulation of water and steam. Boilers can be categorized based on their circulation method, which refers to the way water and steam flow through the boiler. The two main types of boiler circulation are natural circulation boiler. In a natural circulation boiler, the water is heated in the boiler and then rises to the steam drum. As the water becomes steam, it enters the steam drum where it is separated from any remaining water. The steam then flows out of the steam drum and through the steam lines to the turbine. The water that was separated from the steam in the steam drum flow back down through the downcomers to the water drum where it is heated and the process repeats. Forced circulation boiler. In a forced circulation boiler, the water is pumped through the boiler by a pump where which creates a factor of flow of water. This method is typically used in high pressure boilers where natural circulation is not sufficient to provide the necessary flow of water. The water is heated in the boiler and then pumped through the steam generating tubes to the steam drum. As with natural circulation of boilers, the steam is separated from any remaining water in the steam drum and flows out to the turbine. The water that was separated from the steam in the steam drum flows back down through the downcomers to the water drum, where it is heated and then pumped back through the boiler by the circulation pump. Conclusion: understanding boiler classification is crucial for selecting the right type of boiler because different boilers have different characteristics, features, and capabilities that make them suitable for a specific application. There are several types of boilers, including fire tube, water tube, electric, and biomass boilers, each with its unique advantages and limitations. Selecting the wrong type of boiler can result in inefficient operation, increased energy cost, and even safety hazards. Therefore, it is essential to understand the different types of boilers and their capabilities to make an informed decision on which one is best suited for a particular application. By choosing the right type of boiler, businesses and organizations can improve their energy efficiency, reduce their carbon footprint, and enhance their operational and cost efficiencies. Thanks for watching.